at Dr. Soni's therapy facility, and you have tried all the rest. Now you're trying the best. This is my third return, and I come back not because it didn't work, but because every 2 years I need a tune up. I get older, and so I need every part to get stiff and start work again. My knees have arthritis, my hands, my back, and other complaints. The thing about here, when you get here, you're greeted with a smile. Someone would stop and say, "May I help you? Just a minute, please," if they're busy. And outside of that, they're they're nice to you all the time. How was your day yesterday? Did you have a good day after your exercise? And they're very nice to you. Everyone is very nice. They take time and patience. You're equal when you come to the door. You're not the queen and you're not the pauper. You're a person who they attend to and give all their love. They smile with everything. So, and the exercise, the patient with it is not rough, it's not hard. They will only ask if you're comfortable, if it's too high, if it's too low, if this is too different, and you don't feel no pain because you take their time. But you come in with the pain, but you walk out with a champ. You walk out like a champ when you're going out. So if you have a pain or osteoporosis or any of those bone disease or muscle disease, you find your way to Dr. Soni's therapy.